Hello, this is Tony Felsler Case Breaks doing the bottom left box of 2016 Prizm football. It was a 1/1 auto. Yeah, Jared opened it and it was a 1/1 auto. And it wasn't the Eli Apple. Yep. 1/1. It wasn't a super, it was just the black border one. The black border 1/1. Oh, are they really? I guess I haven't pulled one of those, so. It's weird that they did that. Good luck. Barry Sanders. These, I have to remember, are out of 99. Got a Wentz rookie card. Get them sleeved up after you're done. Trevor Davis to 75. Track dice. Oh, okay, gold vinyl. 51 to 75. Mark Ingram out of 149. Elimination, Tom Brady, Calvin Taylor. Tyrod Taylor refractor. Danny Woodhead, blue out of 199. Davis Cooper. Brandon Pettigrew out of 25, 11 of 25 for the Lions. Quentin Payton out of 299. That's not what I wanted to see. Deion Lewis. Refractor. Tyrod Taylor out of 299. Dak Prescott and Paxton Lynch. Eric Lebron refractor. Green Pierre Garcon out of 49. You have a redemption for 150 points. Torrey Smith out of 199. Yes, it is. Richard Sherman, Carew. It's Cardale Jones. Right on top. Out of 149. Tyler Irvin, Jeff Driscoll, and DeMarco Murray, refractor. Then you have your 2 KO packs. Bowman and a Dak Prescott out of 699. Dak Prescott rookie card. Odell Beckham and Ezekiel Ansah double base. Top right. Hey, what's up, Archie? You pick the boxes. If he gets points again, he's gonna be unhappy. Or do you want to get me 2 more? Oh, not me. I am not the king of points. Pretty good, I guess, right? Pretty good. Steve came in yesterday and organized, I guess.
Yes.
Or so he says.
Oh, good grief. Get all this junk out of the way.
In the car? What car? Garrett car? He went off last night, except for the fact that they had like negative 600 yards and penalties. Prizm football. Doug Martin. We do not have any of that. Terrence Williams out of 49. We don't have any Prizm 15-16.
Basketball?
Yeah.
I tried.
Steve tried to get it in, just didn't. Shining Stars, Gronkowski, Kevin Dodd, Ezekiel Elliott. Rookie card. Isaiah Crowell. Tavon Austin out of 149. I'll just do that one next. Emmanuel Ogbah, Eli Apple, rookies. Carlos Hyde, Tevin Coleman. Ronnie Hillman, Philip Dorsett, orange. Goffin Sharp. And we have a Rashad Higgins for the Browns to 149. And we have a Tyreek Hill. It is out of 5. You're correct. 4 of 5.
What's up, man? Oh,
That's weird that they made like the supers look like. Or why they made the supers out of 5.
I'm looking for some tea. I did just pick this up. I don't think there's anything incredible, but I think it's your era of stuff.
4 of 5.
Well, here's 20 on my stuff in there.
Okay. We'll have at it.
Cam Newton at 299. Franco Harris. Insert Buck Allen. Marvin Harrison. I don't like that they made those out of 5.
Ooh, those look. That's nice.
Jarrell Adams. Robert Woods.
Does this look right? 150 less 20 less 20. So
Hendrick.
Yeah, that sound right.
Darius Jackson, orange.
Oh, you just got to buy the whole lot. You just got to buy the whole lot of them. Cool.
And good luck with the last hit. Devonta Freeman. Ragland. And you got points.
Oh, goodness.
Drew Brees. And it is 400 points this time. Better than 150.
Throw something out there.
And we will get your 2 KO packs. Gotskowski and Andy Jovic. And a Paxton Lynch. I think that's hat.
Oh, that's neat.
Or something. And Drew Brees. This is not numbered, so he must have put on a lot of hats. 3 minutes. Last box, bottom right, you said? Bottom right. Good luck. Alright, hold the rest.
What's that?
He said hold the rest.
Been watching you for the years.
So we can start from a new case.
We got new cases.
Stop and pull one out.
Yeah, I got it. I got it. Yeah, don't let Sean open them. He's not here today, so.
You know, stop and pull.
They did. That was a good game. Green Bay, Atlanta. That was fun to watch.
I didn't watch that one. I watched the most penalized game in history. It's painful. Yeah, the Raiders. The most penalties in the game.
Yeah.
That was so bad.
Didn't they have, what, 24 or something like that?
Yeah, it was something stupid like that.
Oh, let me get you a box here.
Jake Olsen and Will Fuller. Out of 149. Wentz, rookie introductions. Gronkowski, green out of 49. Antonio Brown, Mike Thomas. Colin Kaepernick and Jared Reed for the Seahawks. I was just gonna say those points are probably better. Delaney Walker out of 99. And a Smith refractor and a Derek Watt cracked ice. And a Austin Hooper for the Falcons.
He looked good yesterday too.
Did he? Antonio Brown orange. Emmett Smith. Sean Higgins orange. RG3. T.Y. Hilton orange. Antonio Brown. Kelvin Benjamin blue. Winston Eddie Lacy out of 149. Winston refractor, Gary Barnage. Gary Barnage. That'll do it for that. Here are your 2 KO packs. Jalen Smith and Jacoby Brissett out of 50. Dummy card. 8 of 50. 1 off his jersey number. Aaron Rodgers and Pharaoh Cooper out of 699. Well, there you go. Congrats and thanks. See you guys next time.